Great day to the innovators in California, the power players in Texas, the grinders in New York, and every single business owner joining us from all 50 states. Just put in the chat right now where you're hailing from. Whether you are tuning in from the heart of Florida like us or the mountains of Virginia, I love you. You are here because you know the old way of doing business is dying. I'm Micah Gaudio. I have 30 plus years of experience in the marketing game. I've worked with top brands nationally and globally, and I've generated over 5 million leads and even more money for my clients. But today isn't about my past, it's about your future. I am here to show you how to install an AI that never misses a call, a message, or a review. Let's get real. Most of you think you have a marketing problem. You don't. Marketing isn't your problem. Follow-up is. Look at the image on your screen. You are pouring money into ads, but your business is a leaky bucket. Probably more than 60% of your leads are being lost right now due to slow follow-up. Your leads are going cold because DMs are waiting 12 plus hours for a reply. Your staff is burnt out, too busy to chase leads, and your reputation is suffering in silence from ignored reviews. Every missed call after 5 p.m. is a check you just set on fire. Stop hiring more staff to do repetitive work. There is a better way. We provide a complete automation system for businesses ready to grow. Let's compare the traditional way versus the Go Agency AI way. Traditional staff costs $3,000 plus per month. They sleep, take breaks, and can only handle one call at a time. Your new AI employee costs a fraction of a salary. It works 24/7, 365, handles infinite simultaneous conversations, and has zero downtime. Meet your new agents, your scheduling agent who books appointments, your lead qualifier who filters prospects, and your Q&A agent who answers FAQs instantly. We don't sell hype, we install systems. We guide you through a safe, 4-step progression. Crawl at $29 a month. AI review responses. Build trust and boost your local SEO by responding to reviews in under 60 seconds. Walk at $297 a month. AI social plus reputation. A unified inbox that aggregates Facebook, Instagram, web chat, and SMS into one stream. Run at $497 a month. The AI employee, our most popular plan. This is full operational automation. Voice AI answers your phone, speaks naturally, and fills your calendar while you sleep. Scale at $963 a month. AI growth and ads. Aggressive expansion. We drive the traffic, and the AI converts it into ROI. You aren't just getting a tool, you're getting a whole operating system. We replace your entire subscription stack, CRM, funnel builder, email marketing, and invoicing. This is a consolidated value of thousands of dollars a month in software alone. And because we believe in transparency, you only pay for what you use with our credit system. $10 in credit gets you 588 minutes of inbound calls or 7,400 emails. No hidden fees. We have served over thousands of businesses. We have offices in Clearwater and St. Petersburg, Florida, and Virginia. We offer 24/7 live support. Here's the offer. I am so confident in this system that I am giving you a 14-day free trial. You can cancel anytime. But here is the Go Agency 200% guarantee. We guarantee implementation in 48 hours. Book a call right now and we will have your AI system live and working for you within 2 days. Your call to action. Don't let another lead slip through the cracks. Go to goagency.com, click the Get Started Free button on your screen right now. Start small, scale smart. Start today. I'll see you on the onboarding call.